easy. It wasn't easy.
And Academy of Lions.
They told us we could do that angle, and then the other judge came over.
So here's what I'll tell you about that. The teams got caught by that too. They're telling them something over here. They're telling you guys something, and then they're communicating differently here.
Well, no, we asked our judge right here, said, can we come up and off the corner? She said, yeah. But the other judge, like the head judge, walked over and was like, you can't do that.
The way we practiced it was, I do all the reps, next person does all the box shows. We got capped. That one was so much faster. That version.
That was like a sprint the whole time.
Clear the floor.
Good job.
Into everyone. Everyone jumps up the ropes. Gone.
Yeah, everyone. I kept telling Alex, I'm like, we gotta hold it for him, just because he kept missing.
It's so frantic.
It got frantic.
I felt like we went pretty fucking fast on those ropes.
Here's the thing. So you guys got down early from that jump, and then you caught like maybe 2/3 of the field.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Stand by.
Felt good.
Yeah.
3,
Felt good.
2,
Yo, these shades though.
1,
Huh?
go.
I was trying. Got to a point where it got too dark, and I was like, where's the rope?
I want to see what I look like in your lens. I don't know what I look like.
Arena 1 to 10.